Just been down to Portsmouth Gun Centre, purchased myself a Gamo PT-85 blowback, brand new, not opened it yet. There's the instruction book. Got your pressure switches, two of them, one for the laser and one for the flashlight. Comes with a spare magazine. Get it out. I think you put 8 in the top, 8 in the bottom, so 16 in one clip. There's your red dot sight. You can also change it to green and blue via that switch on the top. Oh, that's brown spankers. So I can show you. Probably won't be able to see. That's the green. That's the blue. I won't show you the red one, everyone knows what a red one looks like. So it's all really high standard metal. So the PT-85 is a replica with a silencer. Cartridge comes out like that, co2 powered. Got two little finger and thumbs. Just pull that out. Standard little screw pressure. Insert that. Click that back on. Got safety there, it's off. Sorry, that's on. So can't fire. Now that's on. So there's the flashlight. That's actually the laser, little laser goes on the side. So that's the flashlight. So I purchased it for £150 from Portsmouth Gun Centre. So it's proper, really heavy. It's proper. It feels like a real gun. That's the sound of it. So yeah, I'll load it all back on and we'll start firing.